How do I unlock my Verizon SIM card?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a common issue many users encounter: how to unlock your Verizon SIM card. This can be a very important step if you're looking to switch your service or if you're traveling overseas. But don't worry, it's easier than you might think, and this guide will walk you through every step of the way.
What does it mean to unlock a SIM card?
Unlocking your SIM card means allowing it to be used on different cellular networks. When you purchase a SIM card from a specific carrier like Verizon, it's typically locked to that network. Unlocking it means you'll be able to use it on compatible networks other than Verizon.
Is my Verizon SIM card already unlocked?
Since July 2019, Verizon's policy has been to automatically unlock their devices 60 days after purchase, even if they're still on a payment plan. So, if you've had your device for over 2 months, it's likely already unlocked.
How do I know if my SIM card is unlocked?
You can find out if your SIM card is unlocked by inserting it into a phone from a different carrier. If you can make a call or send a text, your SIM card is unlocked. If not, you'll need to contact Verizon to unlock it.
How do I unlock my Verizon SIM card?
If your Verizon SIM card is not already unlocked, you'll need to contact Verizon's customer service. 1. Dial *611 from your Verizon phone, or 1-800-922-0204 from any phone. 2. Follow the prompts to speak with a representative. 3. Ask the representative to unlock your SIM card. They'll likely ask for your account details and the reason why you want to unlock the SIM. That's it. With these steps, you'll be able to unlock your Verizon SIM card and use it with other compatible networks. Remember, if you run into any issues, Verizon's customer service is there to help. We hope you found this guide helpful, and thank you for watching.